This Beko integrated washing machine lets you get the laundry done in no time, so you won't have to wait around for it. It can speed things up when you're in a hurry, giving you quick cleaning in no time with the Quick program. It washes a full 7kg load in just 28 minutes, which is perfect if you need something ready to wear the same day. Make sure your washing is always hygienic with a simple way to remove bacteria using the Drum Clean program. You can enjoy peace of mind if you suffer from allergies or asthma, with allergens in your laundry reduced by the Anti-Allergy program.